Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2016 Module 7 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Unprotect the worksheet and create the range name, Friday_afternoon, for C5. Step 2. Edit the comment in A10 and delete it after following the instructions. Step 3. Rename the range C15 to Saturday_afternoon. Step 4. Apply defined names to the existing formulas for Saturday and Sunday ranges. Step 5. Create names for G3 using the left column values. Step 6. In H9, use sum to total the total_volunteers range. Step 7. Insert a comment in G1 and hide it. Step 8. Record a macro to format the letterhead and test it on another sheet. Step 9. Delete the volunteer_data name from the volunteer registration sheet. Step 10. Assign the clear_data macro and create a new button for the record_volunteer macro. Step 11. Add data validation rules for dates in C6 and assignments in C7. Step 12. Update the t-shirt size validation for C8. Step 13. Enter the volunteer info, unlock C4, and protect the worksheet and workbook.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.